Hi and welcome to another video of SpaceX update. Just a few days after it was moved back to the launch site, Starship Booster 7 underwent a full cryogenic proof test. Remember, Booster 7 suffered a major issue with its downcomer tube. SpaceX did a nice job fixing the booster in just a few days. Now the booster is out on the launch pad, we expect to see a series of testing with this booster. At the moment, this booster doesn't have grid fins. But installing them won't be much of a bigger deal if it is ready to fly. And I also expect Ship 24 to be out in a week or so. Starship 24-7 is believed to be the first Starship prototype to fly on an orbital test flight. Out of the 5 long assessment processes to approve the testing of the Starship program, FAA is left only with the environmental assessment process. The FAA is planning to release the final assessment before the end of this month. Seriously, it has been taking so long. Crew Dragon Endurance, which brought back Crew 3 crews safely to Earth, arrived in the Port Canaveral. It was recovered by SpaceX's Dragon recovery vessel, Shannon, which was named after SpaceX Crew 1 astronaut, Shannon Walker. These amazing photos were shot by Greg Scott, follow him on Twitter. He is an amazing photographer. A Falcon Heavy side booster was spotted leaving the Hawthorne factory yesterday. It must be one of the side boosters to be used during the Falcon Heavy launch of NASA's Psyche mission in August. Its next stop could be the McGregor test site in Texas for some engine testing. After years, we are about to see some powerful Falcon Heavy in action later this year. That's it for now. If you like the content of this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any SpaceX related news in the future.